Have you ever wondered how we got here? Not just you and me, but everything. Our story starts a long time ago, about 4.5 billion years in the past. Imagine a swirling cloud of dust and gas left over from the birth of our sun. This cosmic debris started clumping together, pulled by gravity, forming a molten, fiery ball. This was the birth of Earth, a hostile planet with a toxic atmosphere, constantly bombarded by asteroids and comets. It was a hellish landscape, nothing like the home we know today. Then, something incredible happened. A massive object, about the size of Mars, slammed into our young planet. The collision was catastrophic, sending a huge amount of debris into orbit. This debris eventually coalesced to form our moon. The moon's gravity stabilized Earth's wobble, creating a more stable climate, which was crucial for life to begin. As Earth cooled, water vapor in the atmosphere condensed and fell as rain, forming vast oceans over millions of years. It was in these primordial oceans, these chemical-rich soups, that the first flickers of life appeared around 3.8 billion years ago. These first life forms were simple, single-celled organisms like bacteria. For billions of years, they were the only inhabitants of our planet, but they were busy. One group, cyanobacteria, developed a revolutionary process: photosynthesis. They started pumping oxygen into the atmosphere as a waste product. This great oxidation event was a game-changer. It was toxic to much of the existing life, but it paved the way for more complex organisms that could use oxygen to generate energy. The sky turned blue, and the stage was set for the next big leap. Around 540 million years ago, life exploded in diversity during the Cambrian explosion. Suddenly, the oceans were teeming with complex creatures. Trilobites, strange arthropods, and bizarre predators unlike anything alive today filled the seas. Life was no longer just microbial. Over the following hundreds of millions of years, plants ventured onto land, followed by animals. First came the amphibians, then the reptiles, who would eventually give rise to the age of dinosaurs. For over 150 million years, these magnificent creatures dominated the planet. From the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex to the gentle, long-necked Brachiosaurus, they were the undisputed rulers of Earth, but their reign came to an abrupt and violent end. 66 million years ago, a massive asteroid about 10 kilometers wide struck the Earth near what is now Mexico. The impact triggered global earthquakes, tsunamis, and volcanic eruptions. A thick cloud of dust and debris blotted out the sun, plunging the planet into a long, dark winter. The dinosaurs, along with about 75% of all species on Earth, went extinct. It was a mass extinction event, a devastating reset for life on our planet. But from the ashes of this catastrophe, a new group of animals rose to prominence. The mammals. They had been small, nocturnal creatures, scurrying in the shadows of the dinosaurs. But with the giants gone, they diversified and spread across the globe. Over millions of years, they evolved into the vast array of mammals we see today, from whales in the oceans to bats in the sky. And among them, a particular branch of primates began a remarkable journey. They started walking on two legs, their brains grew larger, and they developed the ability to use tools. These were our earliest ancestors: Homo habilis, Homo erectus, Neanderthals, and finally, us, Homo sapiens. We appeared in Africa around 300,000 years ago. We developed language, art, and culture. We learned to harness fire, farm the land, and build cities. In what is just a blink of an eye in geologic time, we have explored every corner of this planet, walked on the moon, and peered into the deepest secrets of the universe. Our 4.5 billion year journey has been long, violent, and filled with incredible transformations. From a molten rock to a living, breathing world, this is the story of our planet, our home. It's a story of survival, adaptation, and the incredible tenacity of life. Thanks for joining this journey through time. If you enjoyed this cosmic trip, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more incredible stories from our universe. See you next time.